Are you interested in making money online through digital marketing? In this video, we'll show you how to get started with this popular online business model. We'll cover everything from affiliate marketing and social media marketing to search engine optimization, SEO, and content marketing. Whether you're new to digital marketing or looking to take your existing business to the next level, this video has something for everyone. So if you're ready to start making money online in 2023, be sure to watch this video and learn how to succeed with digital marketing. Here are some additional tips for optimizing your YouTube content for digital marketing. Focus on a specific niche. Choose a specific niche that you're passionate about and focus on creating content that provides value to that audience. This can help you build a loyal following and increase your overall engagement. Use video to showcase your expertise. Use video to showcase your expertise in your niche and provide valuable information to your audience. This can help you establish yourself as an authority in your field and attract new customers to your business. Leverage social media. Use social media to promote your YouTube channel and reach a wider audience. Share your videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and encourage your followers to subscribe to your channel. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to create cross-promotion opportunities and reach new audiences. This can also help you build relationships with other creators and establish yourself as part of a larger community. Use analytics to optimize your content. Use YouTube's analytics tools to track your views, engagement, and other metrics, and use this data to optimize your content over time. Pay attention to what types of content perform best, and make adjustments as needed to improve your results. Remember, building a successful digital marketing business on YouTube takes time and effort. Keep creating valuable content, promoting your channel and engaging with your audience, and you'll be on your way to success. Good luck!